you ready?
No man, I know mommy this. And Jimmy,
Where's mommy?
mommy in the bathroom.
Oh, she using the bathroom.
And she a doo-doo.
No, Jimmy. That is too much information.
Oh, sorry. Want me call her?
No. I want to talk to you.
Oh,
How old are you?
me a 7. So turned 9 yesterday.
Jimmy, you sound like a smart boy.
Yeah man, me smart.
And they're getting very big. All the more reason why you can help me, Jimmy. Okay, Jimmy, I want you to go for a card for me, okay, Jimmy?
Which one you want? Yes, Jack or Spade.
Oh, not that kind of card, Jimmy. I mean a credit card.
Oh, well, mommy keep her credit card in her purse. And mommy said me nothing go in her purse.
You see, the bank, we need to fix something for mommy, okay? And we want to keep it a surprise. Yes, but it's a surprise. Something wrong with mommy bank, and we want to fix it for her. Imagine how happy it's going to make mommy.
Mommy, I go happy. Alright.
Yes, Jimmy, the credit card.
Alright, me I go come for the credit card and come back here.
Okay.
Okay, me get the credit
You have
card.
the card in your hand now? Okay, Jimmy. I want you to read off some numbers for me.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, Jimmy, not those numbers. The numbers on the card.
Oh, alright, me I go send me card though. Alright. 43203.
Yes. Okay.
It's like 00000. Sorry, Mr. Mayano.
No, Jimmy, you're going too fast.
Alright, it's this. Minus the 10, add another 0, plus the 20, and then take out the 0. Yeah?
You know what, Jimmy? Go slow, okay?
Okay, I slow you want me figure now. 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5.
No, Jimmy, you're going too slow now, Jimmy.
Why you shout out for me, sir? You making me emotional.
Sorry, Jimmy. I did not mean to shout. You can read them 2 at a time.
Okay, 5 times 2, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 0 times.
No, Jimmy, not multiply it by 2.
Okay, 3, 2, 0, 1, 7, 6, 9.
Yes, Jimmy. Yes. Just like that.
1, 2, 4, 5, 0, 2, 9, 10.
Yeah? Yes, man, Jimmy. Good boy, Jimmy. I knew you were a smart boy. Now, I just need to get one more thing for me. A pin.
Office pin or safe?
No, not that kind of pin, Jimmy. The pin for the credit card, same way, man.
Alright, me soon come back with that. Me I go come back tomorrow with the pin.
You're coming back tomorrow? We done.